In this video, I'm going to show you how to format your document according to MLA formatting requirements. So to start, I am in Google Docs. So obviously this will be showing you how to do it in Google Docs. If you use Microsoft Word or Pages, then this video may not help you very much, but you still might learn something. Okay, so the first thing is that you probably want to give your document a title. Let's say you're writing an essay. So we'll just name this Essay 1. Next is how to insert a header. So you want to double click up here anywhere really at the very top, and that is going to show you the header. Then you're going to click on options and click on page numbers. Okay, so you want the page numbers to be in the header. You want them to show on the first page. You want them to start at number 1. Okay, so then you're going to apply. However, in MLA formatting, we need our header to be over here on the right-hand side of the page. So I double click and highlight, and then I'm going to come up here to the alignment and move it to the right. Okay. Now I need my last name in the header as well. So let's just write my last name, which is Tancredi. And then my document should be in Times New Roman and in 12-point font. So I'm going to find Times New Roman and make sure that that's all 12-point font. Now this is also highlighted, so I want to come up here to the highlight color and select none. Okay, so now I'm ready to go. Um, the default is 1-inch margins, which is what you need for MLA formatting. So that all looks good. The next thing that you need to do is to write your heading. Your heading should have your first name, your teacher's name, the class, let's say this is English 1A, and then the date that your assignment is due. So let's say that we're going to be doing the first essay, which is due this Friday, June 20th. We write the day, the month, and the year. There are no commas. Now, you'll notice that the text, the font reverted back to the default, which in this case is Arial. So that's something that we're going to need to fix. So I would suggest hitting Command A, Command All, and then selecting again Times New Roman 12-point font. Okay. All right. After this, we're going to do 2 spaces, and you're going to have the title of your essay, which needs to be centered. So we're going to press the center alignment, and then we're going to create a title. So create your own title for the essay. Don't have your title be essay 1 or, you know, rough draft. Rough draft is fine if it's the rough draft, but final draft of essay 1, right? Come up with some sort of a creative title. Something to note with the title is that the first letter of each word should be capitalized unless it is a small word like an article, the, or a, or a preposition like of, in, at, on. Those words typically are not capitalized unless they come at the very beginning of the title. Okay, something else that we need to do is we need to make this all double spaced. So again, we're going to select everything, Command or Control All, and then let's see, in the formatting, we're going to go to line and paragraph spacing. We want it all double spaced. Okay. Okay. So that all looks good. Now we're going to enter again, go down to the next line, and now we need to go back over to the left to start writing. So this is where you're going to start writing your first paragraph. But before we do that, we need to press the tab button and indent the first line of each paragraph. So then you're going to start writing. Okay. As you, or I guess it doesn't like that. Yes, the first paragraph of my essay. Going to continue writing. Oops. Now let's say we're done with this paragraph, which you need more than two sentences in a paragraph, but I'm going to go to the next paragraph. I'm going to press enter or return, and then I'm going to tab again and start my new paragraph here. Okay. So this is the basic setup for MLA format. Depending on if you have, other sources that you're using, things will be a little bit more complicated when it comes to citations and works cited and things like that. But this is basically how you set up a paper in MLA format. Okay. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.